This appears a very simple asana. It's supposed to be quite difficult and can be very difficult for some people. So let us look at the intricacies. Here you have to stand with your feet together. Now the first part of this asana is when Vaishali is standing with her feet together, there is no daylight between her feet, and she is trying to bring balance to both the feet, equal weight on both legs. And you will find before she does the namaskar, if you have been watching, the weight is shifting left, right, front, back, left, right, front, back. She needs to do the namaskar in the midline. So it's important the hands are together in the midline. And then as she gets better in her balance, she should close her eyes. Now for those of you who may find it difficult, closing your eyes can be quite demanding and you may lose balance and some of you can fall. So have somebody be there to attend to you and avoid falls. When you close your eyes, the weight on the feet shifts tremendously. You suddenly find you're all over the place. Weight is shifting to the front at the toes, to the heel, to the sides, to the center, and all over the place. But as you focus, as you try to become still, as you try to get coordinated, you find that your balance improves and eventually you can stand still with equal weight on both legs. Now the importance of this asana is standing with your eyes closed, maintaining midline and holding that balance evenly on both feet. This can be quite difficult. When you are ready, you open your eyes and settle down.